My name is Taylor Rose. I'm a third-year computer science major here at RIT.
I'm Justin Lewis. I'm a fourth-year computer science major at RIT as well. Well, this quarter we're hopefully going to be working on the open video chat system for the XO laptops. We are hoping to improve it to a point where it will have a decent frame rate that would be sustainable for deaf and hard of hearing, especially for sign language. That's our primary goal for this project, as well as adding new features and making it a more useful solution for the XO community.
Well, I really see a lot of merit in this whole project, the whole OLPC project, and being able to be a part of this. Really, I don't know. It's something I really want to do. Yeah, that's my big thing, and I want to co-op, obviously. Yeah.
Me personally, I 2 semesters ago, I was working in the OLPC dev class, and then last semester I continued working with the Fortune Hunter team, as well as writing a few other file share activities and small other activities. And I just felt that I would like to continue working on the project and maybe work on something that might have, I wouldn't say more use, but would have more of a community demand, something that I can get more feedback from a wider community at a quicker rate, so that way we can get a better understanding and development. I just want to help out the OLPC project as well. All right, well, we will be working on the project. We'll be using Git as our repo manager. What we will be doing is, right now we're researching the possibility of either starting from scratch or continuing a currently made prototype of the current activity. Right now we're leaning towards fairly going from scratch as we're doing some research, but that's what I'm expecting when it comes to dev. We're hoping it will be smooth, but we are working on a limited hardware system, so that's what we're going to probably have to spend a lot of our time is optimizing our code to get it to a point that we'll be able to get frame rate up to a sustainable speed for sign language. The good and the bad. Good, it's all open source and we got a whole community to help us work with this, so we're not alone in the dark here. I wouldn't say bad, but some of the harder challenges will definitely be getting over the obstacles of the XO laptop. It's a limited hardware, so we have to get over the obstacles of that, as well as work around some of the ugliness of the XO API, the Sugar Labs API. That I've been working with that for a while, and I've found that there are many changes and undocumented and things that just don't work the same between versions of the XO. You got the XO 1.0 and the XO 1.5. Half your software doesn't work for one. It's kind of, since a whole portion of the world has the 1.0, and a lot of us are writing software for the 1.5, there's a huge gap there. So I'm hoping that we can strive for making our system work with both. But that's really what we're going to have to see if in the future.
Well, we should be posting up on YouTube or Vimeo. We have these interviews, and we're going to having, is it weekly vlogs or vlogs? Yeah.